So check it out. This is how apparently the Balinese women used to dress topless before the Japanese occupied them in 1942, I think. The prude Japanese put into that. But apparently, this is how women in Bali used to walk around. I came at the wrong time. But anyways, I'm here in North Ubud right now. I wanted to come check out this little market over here. See, today I went and got a massage, and when I was coming back, I kind of went through this intersection right here, and looked pretty interesting, so I had to come check this out. Speaking of, look at this little kiddie roller coaster. Isn't that something? Apa kabar? Selamat malam. Salam. You know, this is one thing that I'm kind of kicking myself that I didn't bring, is one of these guys, a speaker. I should have taken mine. I left it in Japan. Berapa harganya? Berapa harganya? I might actually have to give me one of those. Okay, let's carry on, let's carry on. Yeah, nanti datang.
Ya, nanti datang.
Okay. Okay. So I also came here because I wanted to get some dinner. You can get all kinds of flip-flops. Apa kabar? Selamat malam. Kitty toys. Oh no, and give me a fake Rolex maybe. Uh-oh. Oh. I wonder if they have mine, my cheapo G-Shock. Ooh, they got some Ray-Bans up here too. Okay. And, of course, just like in Tamaran, you can come get your bras and panties. Selamat malam. Hello. Oh, almost cut my head off there. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. I know I'm very tall. Gotta be careful. I'm gonna get all kinds of shoes. Let's see. Got some Nikes, some Vans, got some boots. Selamat malam. How are you? You got some clothes? Okay. Speaking of clothes, tonight I'm wearing a sweater because up here in Ubud it's kind of chilly, especially when you're riding around on that bike. Ooh, sate? Sate? Ah. Okay, I gotta give me some of that. Ayam? Ayam? Not really sure how you order. Do you order just like by the stick? Berapa? Yeah, she just cooks it right on here in this charcoal right here. Okay, for 10? I don't know, I'm buying 10,000 worth of satay. Terima kasih. Thank you. All right, and check this out. Oh, it opens up in this huge market right here. So I stopped at the first place because I'm kind of hungry. So let's try this real quick. Let's try this. Hello. I swear, you get the most funniest looking dogs here in Bali. You got so many stray dogs running around. Every once in a while, you're gonna have a couple dogs that shouldn't be humping, and well, you get some funny looking dogs here. A lot of Dachshunds that are mixed with like a Labrador or something, but okay. Let's see here. To find some place I can sit down. Let's see here. Ooh, champur? Nasi champur?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Nasi campur.
Nasi champur, huh?
Yeah.
See, I'm learning slowly. Wow, she's got a lot. Bisa duduk? Yeah?
Boleh, boleh.
Satayam, I approve. That was good.
Kini, konten kita banyak.
Got the appetizer taken care of, and looks like we got a few more places we can check out, so let's do it.
Konten YouTube itu tentang Bali, ya pasar
Just like-
tradisional ya.
Lagi datang. Jalan-jalan. I'm gonna go for a little stroll. See, this is kind of the funny looking dogs I was talking about. Just like mixed pit bull / dachshund. Okay. Trash.
Aku ni dulu
Okay.
untuk itu.
I hope that's okay. Okay. More dogs.
Hello,
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You making hamburgers?
Yeah.
Okay. That looks pretty good. Selamat malam. Roti?
Balinese cake.
Balinese cake.
Yeah.
Kue?
Yeah.
Balinese kue.
With some coconut and
Ooh.
you want to try?
I would love to try. Let's try it.
You want to try?
Yes, ma'am. Just one?
One.
Oh, mini? Banyak? Or
Not banyak, just price.
okay. Whatever she gives me, I'll try it.
Nothing. That's enough.
Coconut?
Yeah, coconut.
Okay.
With some palm sugar.
Oh, wow. Dessert. Sweet? Manis?
Yeah.
Yeah?
This is
Look at that.
by hand or by
I'm sorry, I don't have anything smaller than a 50.
spoon?
Spoon?
Yeah,
Thank
by
you.
hand.
Maybe a fork, maybe? Or a spoon? It's okay, I can use my hands.
My hand?
It's okay. I got hand sanitizer. No alcohol, right?
No.
Okay, can I try one?
With ice?
Is it cold?
Ice is cool. You
Ice
know
is-
with ice?
Okay. The ice, okay. Bisa minum. Ice.
What do you mean?
Ice is aman. Safe.
Yeah,
drink?
amount is
Okay,
had
okay.
with hot water. I make the ice by the hot water.
Okay. Got me some extra chopsticks here. Been carrying around these for a while. Perfect for these though. Terima kasih. First time drinking this too. Terima kasih. Turmeric? Is that what it's called? Turmeric? Yeah, that's strange. It's alright though. Malawa. Not bad. These cakes are pretty good though. Coconut's good. Nice and fluffy. Whatever that brown sauce is, it's nice and sweet. It's good. Doesn't have too strong of a taste either. I dig it. Yeah, I don't think I'm a fan of that drink though. Nope. I'll just stick to Sprite or Coca-Cola. Okay, let's pay for the drink though and get out of here. Alright, I think we've had enough of that little market. It's definitely kind of a turn-off when you see money in the middle of the plate of food that people are dishing out. Yeah. Okay. I'm genuinely curious to see how much this speaker is over here. Salam malam. Berapa?
Ya, ya itu 110.
Satu?
10.
110. Not really sure how much that is. Okay. Maybe. Lagi datang. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. And right up there it says Pasar Umum Tagalalang. I know I'm butchering that, but Pasar means market. And so it's all closed off up there right now, which I can imagine before Corona hit, this would be packed full of vendors, people selling stuff like this. But it's definitely a much smaller market than it used to be, I imagine. But still kind of lively out here. Okay, let's head back north to where my villa is, where I'm staying. And if we see something on the road, we'll stop. If not, that'll be it for today's little video. So, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, so I think I found the local supermarket, that's for sure. I was heading back and see a lot of people on the side of the streets, very dimly lit, but I think this person over here she's frying up some bananas, some jackfruit. Ooh. Wow, look inside this home. See all the beautiful pictures they have in here? Wow, beautiful. Every single one of those pictures in there is of a beautiful naked woman. Where can I get my hands on that? Banana jackfruit.
Tadi kau dah hand tu.
Berapa?
Berapa?
5.000.
For this much? Untuk?
Dirham 10,000.
That might actually give me a lot. I didn't mean to get that much, but I cleaned her out. Damn. Okay. That's plenty. Terima kasih.
Ya.
Terima kasih. Thank you. Wow. All right. I got dessert, that's for sure. Okay, now let's head back to my place. Signing off, I'll see you later.